some more? Need some more? Can you?
Hi everybody, my name is Selma. Today, we're making cinnamon rolls.
Okay, so let's start.
Bread flour, egg, vanilla, sugar, icing sugar, salt, milk, cream cheese, butter, brown sugar.
Okay, so Selma, we are going to put all the ingredients into the mixer. You gonna help me? Okay? Once you put the yeast, you just gotta mix it up a little bit, okay? If you let the salt and yeast touch, it's gonna kill the yeast. So just crack the egg into a separate bowl, and then we're gonna need milk. Now we're just gonna use the mixer and let the mixer do all the work. We start mixing, okay? Slowly. Just gotta make sure we scrape down the bowl every 3 minutes. Okay, Kakak, can you put some flour on the surface, please? Can you tell me how does the dough feel?
Sticky.
Sticky, a little bit sticky, right? I'm just oiling the bowl with canola oil. Knock out all the air and the gas. I have 2 long sides and 2 short. Rectangle, yeah. So over here I've got a mixture of white sugar and brown sugar, half and half. A teaspoon of cinnamon powder, so that the sugar will stick to the
Dough.
Oh, so clever. Do you want to be a chef or a baker?
Baker.
See, like rain. Good job, high five. Roll and tap. And here you can just pinch it over. I'm just going to use a dough cutter, safer with kid. How many pieces do I have? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4.
You hold it like that. Yes, cut straight down the middle. Okay, so while we wait for the cinnamon rolls to bake, we're going to make the icing. Cream cheese, some unsalted butter. Oh, you're smiling. Yes, this is icing sugar. Flavoring, we're going to use vanilla. Pinch of salt. Now we're going to whisk it in the mixer, okay? Okay, mix it slowly. If not, you get flour all over. Wow, look at my Kakak. What's the difference?
Big and big and big and big.
So we'll ice your cinnamon buns first.
Yep.
Okay. We try yours. How is it? Yummy? Alright, so there you have it. This is cinnamon rolls done by
Selma.
Yes.
And Uma.
Oh, thank you. Alright, so you guys try this out and let us know how it goes, okay? You want some more? Need some more? Can you?